Assalamu alaikum and welcome to back for a new clip and 16 January 2015, and we have meet our friend. Here you can see a young age, a little boy selling a cute, very beautiful white chance of sheep, and here we are going to clip first him, and he said me that first do capture my animals, then you may go another side, and he is going to give them grasses. And this week there are a lot of different types of sheep and goats in this market, and we are going to clip these sides of different sides of cities. They all are being from Kathor. This one boy and that are together here. They have come from Kathor, city of Sin, and you can see a little very cute babies of goat here, and little boy is here also. He bring these all here for sale. In this side you can also see there are a lot of little and cute, very beautiful faces here in the market, and we will lose time, so we have to move another side. You can see also uncle, and the main purpose of this clip for capture sheep and goats in Thatta cattle market, and we are going to clip different types of sheep, and you can see these are such a young and beautiful faces here for sale, and you can see there are a lot of beautiful, mashallah, so cute, and these you can see white faces here and there. Need to move for the more sides. Babies of sheep, there are a lot of babies, and this side you can see a goat with a beautiful baby for sale, and here you can see, and hope you have enjoying to visit the channel to see the more beautiful faces. You can see he's jumping. You can see they're so beautiful, and mostly we are moving further side, and you can see he is cutting the hairs of sheep to make more beautiful, because it's naturally a very hairy sheep. Cleaning from this side, and you can see he is also cleaning a sheep hairs to make more beautiful and more different from other sheep, and more demanding in the market. You can see here different types of animals here, and a lot of animals in the market, and You can see animals are also enjoying more beauty. Shelf. This side, you can see there are a lot of sheep in the market, and you can see their own mood mashallah. There are a lot of sheep in the market as compared to goats, and we will also move to from the side of goats, and before we have to move this side to capture such beautiful faces of goats. And you can see here a goat with a beautiful face, with a beautiful young baby. You can see the mood of his. Now he has sleeping mood after drink milk. See, mashallah, so beautiful, a long hairy car ascending and camel bakri goat, and you can see this side a lot of beautiful faces. And the main purpose of these clips, and every clip have a main purpose, especially purpose of a new faces in the market. You can see here all are new faces, mostly little bit some faces I think no, because you can see here sheep, and you can see a boy cutting hairs to make more beautiful and extra hair to make a different and demanding sheep, to increase demand of sheep. And you can see they are debating and marketing a pregnant goat. You can see mashallah, so beautiful and demanding, and you can see that she will give birth less than a month, and or maybe within 2 weeks. Mashallah, so beautiful and good looking goat. And you can see her young, and uncle is checking that she is pregnant or not, because this is a way for check a pregnancy of goats and sheep, to take this. And you can see here aged goat here. We are moving side of different goats, and here you can see mashallah, so beautiful faces and more different face of this goat, because she is looking a pure and gulabi bakri, more demanding, I think, as compared to other all goats. And uncle asking the demand of a brown goat. You can see here we are going to move another side. You can see here along here and great have a great height of goat bring for sale in the market. And you can see you can have a chain and two babies, two couples, one mother, and you can see mashallah so beautiful. Gadu demand demand ta rakho hondo mari andaro and demanding 70,000 the owner in the market. Two beautiful faces with a good looking mother in the market. You can see mashallah so beautiful and classical. Asking from me why you have come to here. Mashallah so beautiful and great couples. Here a mother and we have to move in the side. Two pregnant goats here for sale and looking from a pure breed. You can see this side you can see a great very cute babies here for sale bring and unfortunately without a mother's, and after that these maybe face a very hardship. And you can see mashallah so beautiful and so cute face of white, same ages with a mother and without a mother bring here. There are a lot of such a different faces. You can see here a pure Kamori goat here for sale, and you can see so anger looking and pregnant. The mood of different. We are going to capture here. You can see mashallah so beautiful and good height. Looking a gulabi. They are asking from me for that you may be a cost for this clip, and he is the owner of these beautiful faces of gulabi and looking a pure breed of Sindhi goats here in the market of Tata, and we are left into the side because he not agreed that I am capturing a goats of them. So we have to move into the side. You can see here and there, and we have to move into the side further. And you can see here a good brown goat, mashallah, so beautiful, with a one little baby. Here you can see, mashallah, so good looking. And we are going to move, and black male goat here. It's looking so very anger, and you can see his face expression that you may feel his expressions. This one is also a male, and you can see this one not like to me to capture and stay here for the side of his, and a very anger, and we have to move another side. The male goats here, Bakra Mandi, and you can see white face. This one is black and brown and white, and we have to move another side. And this side also, such a beautiful face here. I'm bringing a lot of calves and cows, and here we are going to move a beautiful little babies of buffaloes and cows. This side of cows and buffaloes, and we are moving another side because we have less time for capture. You can see mashallah, so beautiful, and little very cute faces in the market, willing to sell in the market. And here we are going to another side, and we have to move this side. You can see there are a lot of cows and buffaloes, because this side of cows and buffaloes here bring for sale. And you can see mashallah a little height of cow with a beautiful white face of mashallah, so good looking couple of mother and little baby here. And we move here to capture a good looking cow with a great baby, beautiful face, mashallah, looking so cute, and maybe anger, bring here for sale. And mashallah, this side you can see the beautiful faces of different ages of cows and buffaloes being here for sale. Now we are going to end our clip, and hope you have enjoyed, and do subscribe for my channel. Watch the beautiful animals and new faces of cows and buffaloes, goats and sheep. Thanks a lot.